Freelancing is the bright future. Is freelancing really the future, or is it just another online buzzword? Well, what if I told you that freelancing isn't just the future, it's the present, and it's growing faster than ever before? Stay with me, because today we're breaking down why freelancing is becoming the brightest career path of our generation. Section 1. The rise of remote work. In the last few years, companies around the world discovered something important. You don't need to sit in an office for 8 hours to be productive. This shift opened the door for millions of freelancers, designers, writers, coders, marketers, virtual assistants, you name it. Today, businesses prefer skills over degrees, results over resumes, and flexibility over traditional office systems. Section 2. Why freelancing is the future. So, what makes freelancing so powerful? Number 1. Unlimited earning potential. You're not limited by a monthly salary. The more you learn, the more you earn. Simple. Number 2. Work from anywhere. Your office can be your bedroom, a cafe, or a beach, as long as you've got Wi-Fi. Number 3. Global opportunities. You're not limited to your local job market. A client in the US, UK, Canada, Dubai, Australia, anyone can hire you. Number 4. You control your time. Work in the morning or at 2 a.m. It's your schedule. Section 3. Skills are the real currency. In freelancing, skills equal money. Whether it's graphic design, video editing, coding, digital marketing, copywriting, or even voiceovers, learning one strong skill can change your life. Freelancing rewards people who keep growing, keep practicing, and keep upgrading. Section 4. Why you should start now. The biggest regret people have is waiting too long. The longer you delay, the more opportunities you miss. Thousands of businesses are looking for freelancers right now. The question is, will you be ready when they need you? Freelancing is the future. Freelancing isn't just a job. It's a lifestyle, a future where you control your income, your schedule, and your growth. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment.